Tensions between India and Pakistan have erupted into a dangerous escalation. On the night of May 7th, Pakistan launched a barrage of 8 missiles and drones targeting Jammu and Kashmir, aiming at RS Pura, Arnia, Samba, and Hiranagar. India's air defense systems, including the formidable S 400, intercepted the missiles while drones were neutralized over Jaisalmer. Loud blasts plunged Jammu and Srinagar into darkness with Pakistani drones near Srinagar's airport shot down. Earlier that day, India thwarted Pakistan's audacious attempt to strike 15 military sites across northern and western India, neutralizing air defense systems, including one in Lahore. This was Pakistan's retaliation to India's Operation Sindoor, a precision missile strike that obliterated 9 terror targets in Pakistan and Pakistan occupied Kashmir, eliminating over 100 terrorists, including Jaish-e-Mohammed's IC 814 hijack mastermind Abdul Rauf Azhar. Pakistan claims civilian deaths, but India's Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri dismissed these, pointing to state-honored funerals for so-called civilians draped in Pakistani flags, clear evidence they were terrorists. Pakistan's army countered, claiming it downed 25 Indian Harop drones with 3 civilian casualties. Meanwhile, the line of control burns with heavy mortar fire, killing 16 civilians. Border states are on high alert. Punjab's Gurdaspur enforced an 8-hour blackout while schools in Rajasthan and Punjab shut down. A Pakistani intruder was shot dead by the BSF in Firozpur. In Karachi, the stock market crashed over 6% amid fears of Indian retaliation near this city. India's government has banned Pakistani content on OTT platforms, citing national security. As the conflict intensifies, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh warned Pakistan of a suitable response to any further aggression. Amid the escalating crisis, US President Donald Trump offered a message of mediation, stating, "I know both well, and I want to see them work it out. They have gone tit for tat, so hopefully they can stop now. We get along with both countries very well, and if I can do anything to help, I will be there."